Good evening.
Good evening to you. How are you?
Nice night. And you?
Yes, I'm also fit as fiddle, but today I'm just under the weather. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Where are you?
So this is our first meeting. So I would like to you introduce yourself a little bit. Yeah.
My name is Saili. I am
Yes.
from Maharashtra. I
What?
got.
What?
I am from Maharashtra. Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Got married. Yeah, I am a mother of two children. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have completed my graduation, Bachelor of Commerce, and post
Okay.
graduation, Master of Management. That's all about it. Myself.
Oh. And you are YouTuber as
No, no, no. I'm not
well?
YouTuber.
Okay. So now this is my turn. I'm introducing myself. So my name is Sanjana. I'm living in Delhi. I blessed with two kids, and I'm homemaker as well. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I'm graduated, and in these days I am learning English. Yeah, that's all about me. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have YouTube channel.
Yes, I have one YouTube channel. Yes. I created last year, but now this time I'm working. Earlier I'm not working on my channel. Yes, before 4 months ago I changed my channel name, and then I am working on my channel. Yes.
Last 4 months you are working. Okay.
Yes, last 4 months. Yes. Okay. So what is your hobbies?
Hobbies?
Yes.
Yes, my hobbies is, this day learning English, and but and another hobbies is I have keep clean my house.
Okay.
My house. I like
Cleaning. You like cleaning?
yes.
Yes.
All household chores I do myself.
Okay. So you told me that you are a mother of two kids. So how old are they? Or they are a boy or girl or both? What?
Both are son. My elder son is 11 years old, fifth standard, and younger one is 4 years. Means 4 years is complete last
Okay.
month. Your how
Yes.
old are your?
My elder one is will complete 5 year in March, and younger one will complete 2 year in Feb this month. They are very young. Yes.
Uh,
Yes. So, if you have any topic for the discussion, so you
no,
can suggest. Okay, this
no
time
topic.
I have not decided yet because I'm just not feeling well. That's why.
We talk general because this is my the second conversation.
Okay. So, how long have you been taking sessions?
Just last Thursday, first session.
Okay. So this is your second or third?
I think it is a third, but second is not continuously because here is some range problem now, so I can't talk properly. So that's why I can say this is my second conversation.
Okay. So this time, are you totally homemaker or are you working any sector?
No working. I am a fully homemaker.
Okay.
Because I have to his school, and his homework, and lot of things also studies. So that's why.
Yes, and I think women they are homemakers, so they have lot of responsibilities in their home, and they are doing a lot of things.
Um,
Yes,
Pick up, drop, and from morning to night till night. I have a lot of things. Mm.
yes. So
So,
yes. So do you have any desire to go any other country to visit? Have you any desire?
no, not now. Desire.
Okay.
Can suppose
Okay.
husband get a chance to that time. Now, not now. Desire.
Okay.
Have you
So
ever
what is the reason behind it that you want to improve your English?
improve. I am fascinated about this language.
Yes.
When I was to go to school and college, that time from that time,
Yes.
I am like this language. But that time no one talk in English. Only speak our mother tongue Marathi, and some friends speak in Hindi. So that's why. But grammar is good and vocabulary also. But last 2 3 months I am focusing my
Okay.
learning English.
Yes.
I am listening a lot of video, but I didn't get too much time for reading.
Okay. Yes, I know I can understand because I'm also homemaker, so I can understand, and I'm not able to read any other things like storybooks. You can say I'm not reading anything. I'm also
Yes,
listening and speaking.
yes,
These
yes.
things I'm doing, and sometimes I'm writing as well. Yes,
Uh,
sometime. Yeah,
when I do my household chore, that time I am listening video English content. Yeah,
yeah,
tutors
yeah.
that time and not get too much time. But afternoon get a little bit time, 1.5 hours. Uh, not too much time. That time I listening.
Yes, yes. So if you have any queries about me, so you can.
So tell me, madam, about your journey, English journey, and you speak nicely. So
Okay, so thank you, first of all, thank you so much for giving me this beautiful comment. Actually, before 4 months ago, as I told you, so that time I started my English journey because I this time my children are very young, so that's why they want to English environment at home, and also I want to become, in future I want to get job, so that's why. Wait a minute.
are you from Delhi?
I'm from MP, but I got married in UP, but I'm living in Delhi since my childhood. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Is there a lot of cold now these days?
Yes, yes, there is a little bit. Yeah, so many cold are there. And also, you can see I'm wearing sweater, so yes.
Okay, that's why I'm asking.
Yes, yes. Okay, so
Uh,
how is the weather over there
oh,
in
yeah,
Maharashtra?
Maharashtra morning also cold, but now last 2 months here was lot of cold, but now February is going on now. So morning cold, but afternoon is sunny. Sunny days,
Okay.
very sunny days.
And in Delhi's weather, a very extreme weather are there, in Delhi. So in morning time, when sun is appeared, so yes, it's sunny day, so it's a normal day. But in the since morning and evening, it's little bit cold. Yes,
Yes. And fog also is there, na morning time.
yes, yes. Everywhere foggy weather. Yes. So if you want to ask any other question.
Tell me, madam, how do improve my English? How will I do
Okay.
English?
Okay, so first, what I'm saying about myself, what I am doing, so you can also do these things because you are saying that you are listening and speaking. You are doing so as much as you can. You just listen and speak. Both things are very important, as you know. And if you get time, if you're not getting time, so you just take 15 minutes in night time when your children will sleep, so that time you just write one page. Okay, what have you done in since morning to evening, what have you done? So you just write it, and then you read it aloud, and then you can find the mistakes, and also you learn one vocab in a one day. You just use it in your daily life, and then when you write one page in a day, so you just try to add that vocab when you which you learn. Okay, so it will help to improve your vocab, and as well as your speaking, and your English will improve because this things these things I'm using this time. Yes, so you
Yes,
can do these things.
person that's why facing this problem.
Yes, because earlier I was not writing. So but before 20 or 25 days ago, I started to write one page in a day. So now this time I can see the change.
Wow,
Yes.
nice.
Yeah. So
Same.
that's why I'm saying that you can do this.
I follow this your suggestion, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sure. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after session, what will you prepare for your family?
Now I will make tea.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
my younger son has sleep. Elder one is doing study. His exam is going on, so that's why
Mhm.
my husband
Yeah.
went to. So sometime
That's
I will, and then other things and evening worship also main things. We put the
okay.
diya and
Okay,
then
so you are taking session now. Now this time you are starting to taking sessions. So are you thinking in future time you will create your channel as well in YouTube?
yes, madam. So suppose my English is will improve now. So definitely I thinking I will at my YouTube channel.
Yes, because this time why I'm saying to you, because if you are not creating your channel and you are speaking a Skype ID, but this time you will not make consistency, right? Means consistency means कि आप लगातार नहीं करोगे, कभी सोचोगे आज नहीं किया तो कल कर लेंगे, परसों कर लेंगे, right? इस तरीके से होगा. But if you make your channel, so it will help to make your consistency. You will daily take one conversation and you just upload one video in your channel, so your channel will also improve and your English will also improve. Right. Yeah.
One thing I ask you,
Yes.
you only put your conversation video, yeah, your miss English, your video also, miss conversation video
Yes.
also. English
Yes, this time,
about
yes, I'm explaining. This time I'm uploading conversation video, but earlier I uploaded solo videos related to English. Yes, both video I'm uploading. Yes, solo
can
and conversation video, both. Yes,
I,
yes.
what's your channel name, ma'am?
Let's learn English with Sanjana. I will
Okay,
give
okay.
you my channel link. I will give you, and you also subscribe my channel.
That's why I'm asking to you, ma'am.
Uh, thank you. Yes, and this time, if someone giving me comment and someone subscribe my channel, so it gives me like support, you can say, motivation. Yes, I have to do. That's why I'm saying you also create your channel, and I will subscribe your channel, and then
You
you
give,
also.
you give, madam. You give me a good suggestion. Thanks a lot.
Yes, yes. Yeah, so thank you so much. Lovely talking with you. You are so cute and nice person. Nice talking to you. And before your taking session with you, I was feeling like I'm ill. But after session, I'm refresh my mind. Yes. So thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. See you. Take care.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.